Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about linear equations in one variables and its graph. Okay, so let's have example. Okay, solve and graph the equation 2x plus y equals 2. If x is negative 2, x is negative 1, x is 0, x is positive 1, and x is positive 2. So, una, ang gagawin natin dito, gagawa tayo ng table. Yung value ng x na given, di ba? Negative 2, negative 1, x is 0, x is 1 or positive 1, and x is positive 2. Then, hahanapin natin yung values ni y. Okay? So, first is x, if x is negative 2. So, we will use the original equation. Ito si 2x plus y equals 2. Okay? 2x plus y equals 2. Then, ang gagawin natin dyan, substitute natin yung value ni x na negative 2. So, 2 times yung x na yan, palitan natin ng negative 2 plus y equals positive 2. Then, multiply natin yan. So, the result is negative 4 plus y equals positive 2. Okay, then kopyahin natin yung y dyan. Then, equals 2. Tapos, yung negative 4, ito, i-transpose natin sa right side. So, kapag mag-transpose tayo ng number or variable, we have to change the sign. Okay, mag-transfer tayo from left to right or right to left. Mag-change talaga tayo ng sign dyan. So, mangyayari dito, from negative, magiging positive 4. So, therefore, yung value ni y ay positive 6. So, if x is negative 2, y is positive 6. Okay, next is negative 1. If x is negative 1, 2x, the same equation, 2x plus y equals 2. So, 2 times, palitan natin yung x ng negative 1. Okay, plus y equals 2. So, multiply, the result is negative 2. Then, kopyahin yung plus y equals 2. Then, y equals 2. Si negative 2, transpose natin sa right side, magiging plus 2. So, y is equal to positive 4. Okay, so if x is negative 1, y is positive 4. Okay, ngayon, kay 0 na naman tayo. Yung x natin ay 0. Taas tayo konti, ha? X is 0 para maano natin yung space. So, the same equation, 2x plus y equals 2. So, 2 times yung value ng x na 0 plus y equals 2. Multiply natin yan, so the result is 0. Kasi any number na kapag i-multiply natin sa 0 ay 0. So, plus y equals 2. Then, y equals 2. So, huwag na natin i-transpose yung 0 kasi 0 na nga yan eh. So, if x is 0, y is positive 2. Okay, next is if x is positive 1. The same equation, 2x plus y equals 2. So, 2 times yung value ng x is positive 1 plus y equals 2. Multiply natin yung 2 times 1, that is 2 plus y equals 2. Transpose natin si 2, so y equals 2 plus, minus 2, sorry. From positive, magiging negative 2. So, y is 0. Dong! Okay, last tayo. So, if x is positive 2. So, same equation, 2x plus y equals 2. So, yung value ng x na positive 2, kopyahin natin yan or palitan natin yung x, then plus y, then equals 2. Okay, multiply natin yung 2 times 2, the result is 4. Plus y equals 2, kinopya natin yan. Then y equals 2, si positive 4, transpose natin sa right side, magiging negative 4. Okay? So, y equals 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So, therefore, if x is positive 2, y is negative 2. So, ngayon, yung ordered pair natin ngayon ay if x is negative 2, y is 6, di ba? Yan ang mga ordered pair natin. Ano pa? Negative 1 and positive 4. Tapos, x is 0, y is 2. Then, if x is 1, y is 0. Then, yung last ay if x is 2, y is negative 2. Okay, so, ang next natin gagawin, i-graph naman natin yan. Okay? I-graph natin. Okay, isulat ko lang muna ulit yung ano natin para hindi tayo mawala. Yung x natin, yung first ordered pair natin is x is negative 2, y is 6. Tapos yung isa, if x is negative 1, y is 4. Next is, if x is 0, y is 2. Then, if x is 1, y is 0. Then, yung last is, if x is 2, y is negative 2. So, i-graph naman natin ito. I-plot natin yung point. Ito muna. If x is, ito naman ang first. X is negative 2, y is 6. Kulang yung ano ko dito. So, estimate natin dyan. Yun ang 6. Okay, dyan. So, if x is negative 2, y is positive 6. Sulat mo yan dyan. Lagyan mo ng pangalan. Yung point na yan. Next is ito. Negative 1 and positive 4. X is negative 1. Dito yung negative 1 sa x-axis. Then, y is positive 4. Ayan. So, this is x is negative 1. Y is positive 4. Next, if x is 0, y is 2. Okay, dapat straight line ito yung graph natin. X is 0, y is positive 2. Next, x is positive 1, y is 0. Okay, x is positive 1, y is 0. And yung last, ito, x is positive 2, y is negative 2. Okay, x is positive 2, y is negative 2. Okay, ngayon, i-connect natin yung line na yan. Dapat straight line ito. Okay, connect natin. Use ruler. Okay. Ako. Ayan. Okay, so magamit lang kayo ng ruler ha para magiging straight line yan. Then ilagyan mo ng arrow. Kasi pwede yan ma-extend. Tapos ilagay mo dito yung equation natin na 2x plus y equals 2. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang yung ating topic. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.